Welcome dear students to the class of Maths. Today our topic is pattern. Students, what is pattern? A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. There are different types of patterns such as number patterns, image pattern and logic pattern. Come on, let's see some examples. Observe the pattern. Which shape will come next? Now students, you all can see on the screen line patterns. In the first picture, one line is drawn. In the second picture, two lines. In the third one, three lines. And in the fourth one, four lines. So, what will come next? Here is the next pattern, 5 lines. You all can see on the screen. Moving on to the next. Complete the given pattern. Here you can see one strip. In that some shapes are given. First one is star. Second one is diamond. Third one is circle. These patterns are repeat. Again star, diamond, circle. Star, diamond. So here we are going to find out what will be the next. Here is the next is star. Moving on to the next. Complete the following pattern. Red circle, 3 squares. Again one red circle and 2 squares are there. So students, what will be the next pattern? Here comes one square and then again we are going to repeat one red circle and 3 squares, and this will go on. Moving on to the next. Which geometric shape is used in the given pattern? So students, can you identify the shape given in the pattern? Yes, right, it's hexagon. Moving on to the next. Write the next number which follows the given pattern. Now students, here you can see in the first box the number is 5. In the second box the number is 15. So what is the difference between 5 and 15? So 15 minus 5 gives you 10. That means the difference between two numbers is 10. So we will add 10 to 15 gives you 25. 25 plus 10 gives you 35. 35 plus 10 gives you 45. 45 plus 10 gives you 55. So the next answer will be 55 plus 10 gives you 65. Students, moving on to the next. Which shape will come next to follow the pattern? So the arrow facing downwards. The next is arrow facing upward. The next is arrow facing towards left side. Now what will be the next pattern? Yes, you all guessed it right. The arrow facing towards right side. Moving on to the next. Draw the shapes used in the given pattern. Now students, you can see a pattern made out of shapes. So can you identify which shapes are used in this pattern? Yes, you all are right. Circle and star. Moving on to the next. Which number comes next? So students, here you all can see in the first box the number is 3. In the second box the number is 6. So we will count forward after 3, 4, 5 and 6. The difference between the two numbers is 3. Now 6 and 10. So we will count forward after 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So the difference between the two numbers is 4. The difference between 10 and 15 is 5. 15 and 21 is 6. The difference between 21 and 28 is 7. So what will come next? Yes, we will count forward after 28 8 times. So the answer is 38. 6. Now students, moving on to the next. Draw the next two shapes to complete the following pattern. So here they have given leaf pattern. So the leaf facing upward, leaf facing to the right side, leaf facing downside, leaf facing to the left side. Now students, what will be the next pattern? Continue. Yes, you guessed it right. We will start again. Leaf facing upward, leaf facing to the right side. Moving on to the next. Fill in the blank boxes with appropriate numbers. So in the first box, the number is 7. In the second, the number is 14. Third, 21, 28, 35. Students, can you guess which numbers are these? Yes, this is table of 7. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos is 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 4 times is 28, 7 5 times is 35, 7 6 times is 42. So students, moving on to the next. Which shape will come next to follow the pattern? Now arrow facing upward, arrow facing downward, again arrow facing upward, arrow facing downward. So students, what will come the next pattern? Yes, you all guessed it right. Pattern will continue, arrow facing upward and arrow facing downward. Now students, moving on to the next. Now here you can see some geometrical shapes are given. We have to identify which shape will come next to follow the pattern. So here the first shape is square, second is triangle, third is again square, fourth is triangle. So which pattern will come next? Yes, you guessed it right. The first will come a square and second triangle. Moving on to the next. Write the 10 times table. Look at the digit in the units place of the table. What is the pattern there? So let's see what is the solution for this question. So first we will see 10 times table. 10 ones is 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, 10 fours are 40, 10 fives are 50, 10 sixes are 60, 10 sevens is 70, 10 eights is 80, 10 nines are 90 and 10 times is 100. So students, what you have learned from this table? Yes, the units place of the 10 times table always has a 0. So the pattern is 0, 0, 0 and so on. Moving on to the next. Write the 2 times table till 2 into 15 gives you 30. Look at the digits in the units place from 2 ones is 2 up to 2 15s are 30. Find the pattern. So first we will write 2 times table. So 2 ones is 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes is 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives is 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens is 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens is 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24, 2 13s is 26, 2 14s are 28 and 2 15 times gives you 30. So students, what you have learnt from this table? Yes, the 2 times table is given as 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 28 and 30. So the digits in units place shows a pattern of 24680, 24680 and so on. Moving on to next. Multiply 37 by 369 till 27. Students, here you can see this is table of 3. So the answer of table 3 we are going to multiply by 37. what is the pattern in the products. So students, we will see what will be the solution for this question. 37 multiplied by 3, answer is 111. 37 multiplied by 6, the answer is 222. 37 multiplied by 9, the answer is 333. 37 multiplied by 12, the answer is 444. 37 multiplied by 15, the answer is 555. 37 multiplied by 18, the answer is 666. 37 multiplied by 21, the answer is 777. 37 multiplied by 24, the answer is 888. 37 multiplied by 27 is 999. So students, what you have learnt from this table? Yes, the product of the multiplication are 111, 222, 333, 444, 555, 666, 777, 888, 999. So each number is more than the previous number by 111. Moving on to the next. Look at the 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 and so on. Find the pattern in the digits in the units place of this table. Is there a pattern in the tens digit in this table? So the solution for this question is the digits in the units place shows a pattern of 50, 50 and so on. Yes, the digits in the tens place shows a pattern of 11, 22, 33 and so on. Moving on to the next. A man swims 1.5 km on Monday, 1.6 km on Tuesday, 1.8 km on Wednesday, 2.1 km on Thursday. If this pattern continues, how many kilometers will the man swim on Saturday? So the solution is the pattern of man's swimming in kilometer is 1.5, 1.6, 1.8 and 2.1. The man swims a distance which is multiple of 0.1 kilometer more each day as the days increase. Like on Monday, he swims 1.5 kilometer. On Tuesday, 1.5 plus 0.1 gives you 1.6 kilometer. On Wednesday, 1.6 plus 0.1 plus 0.1 gives you 1.8 kilometer. On Thursday, 1.8 plus 3 times 0.1 gives you 2.1 kilometer. So on Friday, we will calculate 2.1 plus 4 times 0.1 gives you 2.5 kilometer. So on Saturday, he will swim 2.5 plus 5 times 0.1, that gives you 3 kilometer. So students, hope you have understood the chapter pattern.